Let's talk about Facebook page posts. What are they? Facebook page posts are great ways to generate engagement with your fans and target audiences. Through page posts, you can share company news, product announcements, tips, contests, events, stories, and more. There are a variety of different page posts available to marketers on Facebook. Let's go through each one in detail. Link posts are simply posts that link out to a website off of the Facebook platform. Offer posts are for when you want to increase sales in your shops or online, offer a discount, or have a promotion. They are a great way to get people's attention and encourage them to act. Event posts are a feature that lets you organize gatherings, respond to invites, and keep up with what your friends are doing. As a business, you can create events to highlight in-store or online activities that you are planning. Once users agree that they are interested or going, they will be notified when you post updates on your event page. Canvases are full-screen, mobile-optimized post-click experiences that can feature a combination of images, video, text, and links. You can create a canvas with the Publishing Tools section of your page and your Page Composer. When you're done, you get a unique URL that you can use in website click and website conversion ads, mobile app ads, and photo or video page posts. People who tap an ad or post with a canvas on their mobile phones or tablets can interact with the canvas through text, pans, and swipes without leaving Facebook. Video posts include a native video uploaded directly to Facebook, rather than posting a link to a video from a third-party site. A video link off-site would be considered a link post. Slideshow posts can be created for Facebook and Instagram on your mobile phone or using a desktop computer. Slideshow videos will play on smartphones, tablets, and computers just like a video. Using slideshow ads, you can create a customized high-quality video without the hassle or expense of video production. Combine multiple images, text, and sound in your slideshow to capture the audience's attention and tell a story with photos. Photo posts can be shared with or without text, and, of course, include an image. And lastly, text posts are exactly that, posts with only text.